gentle as a dove, yet with the justice in thy love, there is no fault in me. When your words fall like the rain on my thirsty soul, thy words are full with life and the sweet fragrance of peace. Has bloomed in the desert of my heart. Breaking forth as the dawn is bright as the noontide sun, shining through the darkness of my life. Of Sharon, the lily of the valley, the flower among the thorns has bloomed in the desert of my beautiful, my Lord, thou art gentle as a